Welcome to pdftools.site. In this video, I'll show you how to split one PDF into multiple PDF files. Open your browser. In the search bar, type PDF Tools and press Enter. Click on the link to open pdftools.site. Scroll down and click on the PDF Split tool. Go to the Upload area. Click the Choose File button. Select the PDF file you want to split. Choose the page range or select Split into individual pages. Click the Split button. Your split PDF files will be automatically downloaded. Your PDF has been successfully split. Thank you for watching. Like, share and follow for more helpful videos.